This video is for parents to know how to log into Schoology with their children and see assignments and completion of their assignments. Please sit down with your child and have them log into Schoology through Clever. It's highly recommended that you use your Bethlehem Area School District issued Chromebook when using school district technology. Once you log into the Chromebook, you'll see a page with the word Clever and Bethlehem Area School District. If you don't see that, click on the Chrome web browser and then click on the home icon to get to that home page with Clever. If you do not have access to your district-issued Chromebook, make sure that you use the Chrome browser and that you're logged into the browser with your district account. I have a link below to help you with that. It's the best way to ensure that you're getting all of the settings necessary to have a successful experience with your classwork. Click on Login with Active Directory and then enter your username and password. Click on Sign In, and then it will load your Clever page. Scroll down until you see the Schoology icon. Click on that to automatically be logged into Bethlehem's Schoology website. First, you'll see the recent activity. This is a convenient area to show you updates from courses or groups to which you belong. The most recent items are at the top of the page. In fact, there are school-wide updates as well. You can see some of these directly in the courses if they are course announcements. So let's see those. Let's click on the courses because we want to access our assignments. So I'm going to click on the Courses tab and then click on the course that I would like to enter. I see the content for the course, which is where all the assignments are located. And here is the updates area that I referred to earlier. The Grades tab is where a student or parent can see if an assignment was completed or not. In fact, you can see the name of the assignment, the date it was due, and the score that you received on the assignment once the teacher grades it, and if you submitted something for the assignment. I see a little page here, so that means I submitted something. You may also see a comment left by the teacher. To get more detail, you can click on the name of the assignment to go directly to it in the course. And I can see the description, what I'm supposed to do, and when I click on my document, I'm going to see the one that was submitted. If I want to contact my teacher, I can click on the envelope icon at the top to send them a message. Click on New Message, or I may have new messages here from my teachers, and I'll know that if I have a little number like I have here for notifications telling me a new message is waiting. To log out, I can click on the triangle and select Log Out.